it is about ready to throw some Rust-Oleum on there, make sure all the scuffs and whatnot are covered up so no rust can present itself. But looking a lot better than it did. There were some rust spots from previously, so we're getting those polished out using some of this fuel denatured alcohol to clean up any extra debris without lifting paint. This is the final product before we throw a little bit of Rust-Oleum on there, and I'll let that dry for a minute and then start mounting the fan. And we had to refile the edges as well because they were kind of rigid. Just needed a touch up, but ready to get this new fan in.